You do it for him, and you would do it again. You do it for her, that is to say, you'll do it for him. You do it for him. Stance right, keep your body lowered as you're moving forward. Balance is the key. Right foot, left foot. Now go even faster. And as you're moving backwards, keep your eyes on me. Keep my stance right, keep my body lowered. Right as I'm moving forward. Concentrate. Don't you want him to live? Right foot, left foot. Yes, but put your whole body into it. Everything you have, everything you are, you got to give. On the battlefield, when everything is chaos, and you have nothing but the way you feel, your strategy and the sword. You just think about the life you'll have together after the war. And when you do it for her, that's how you know you can win. You do it for her, that is to say, you'll do it for him. You do it for him. Deep down